Hey lifestyle lovers, welcome back to my channel. I hope that everyone is safe and germ free. I hope all of the mothers had a awesome Mother's Day. This video is actually going to be a clean with me. I am in my bedroom and it looks worse than what it actually is. Of course, my bed is unmade and I just have stuff everywhere. But this probably is going to be the last clean with me of my bedroom that I share on my channel. If you're not aware, I am redesigning my bedroom, so I am doing a complete transformation. So the bedroom furniture that you see behind me, or that you probably will see in the clean with me, it is sold. It just hasn't been picked up yet, but it is sold and they have already paid for it. And I have already started to receive some of my new items that is going to go into the space. I think I did share a sneak peek of the headboard panels that will go against this wall where my current headboard is at. And then, guys, I just had a huge piece of artwork arrive today from FedEx, which is right there. So I'm going to share that with you guys in this video after I clean my room. So if you're interested in some cleaning motivation, and I'm going to share just a little bit about some ideas that I have for the redesign of my bedroom, then keep watching. Okay, lifestyle lovers, most of you know that I have an entire process when I clean my room. So first I start with the bed. I cannot clean the room unless I make the bed first. It's like I can't see anything else until the bed is made. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with the process of making my bed like I normally do. Okay, lifestyle lovers, once the bed is made, then it's like I can see everything clear and see exactly what needs to be done. So after I make the bed, I focus on everything that is on the floor. So now I'm just going to clean the entire floor and place everything where it should be. Look at all the items I pulled from up under my bed, lifestyle lovers. It was a mess under there. So once I've cleaned the floor and got everything from up under the bed, then I'll start cleaning off my dresser and just going through some mail and putting everything back where it needs to be. And last but not least, lifestyle lovers, once I have wiped down all of the furniture, all of the glass in the room, I will move on to cleaning the floors. In this case, I have carpet, so I am going to sweep and then I'll go back in with the Dyson. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I am going to finalize this very simple clean with me and spray my bed down with some Tide antibacterial fabric spray. It sanitizes and refreshes fabrics and it kills 99.9% of bacteria. So if you have tried this spray, let me know if you're loving it as much as I am. And I'm just going to freshen up the room with some Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Room Freshener in the scent Lemon Verbena. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I'm pretty much done cleaning the room. It was a real general cleaning, pretty much just like a straightening up, because the only thing I did was made the bed, you know, picked up all the clothes off the floor, cleaned up under the bed, wiped the furniture down and the mirrors down, and that's pretty much it. you know, when I really do a deep cleaning, I, you know, wipe the baseboards down, wipe the doors down with bleach and all that stuff. But in the midst of me picking up some of the larger pieces of trash off of the floor, I picked up a piece of glass and cut my hand. So I'm really ready to end this video because it's throbbing. But I am going to kind of show you guys my vision in my head for the design of how I want my new bedroom to look. So right now I'm sitting on there's an ottoman in front of my bed. Just let me show you guys. This is the current setup. Let me just fix the pillows. So I have an ottoman. It is a storage ottoman. That will go away, and I will have a seating area over there where you see the dresser at. So over here where the dresser is, the seating area will move over here. So there will be nothing in front of the bed, and the large piece of wall art, what I'm going to show you guys, will be above that seating area. The bed setup will pretty much stay the same. I will have the 2 nightstands on the side as well as a headboard, but it'll probably be a little bit higher than the current headboard. There will not be any artwork over the headboard. And then over here, my TV will stay the same, but it'll be mounted on the wall. I will have a dresser to replace that. Right now that is a media chest. And then over here, this mirror will remain the same. And where the dresser is, I'm not completely sure what's going there yet. I have an idea, but I'm not going to share it because I'm not 100% sure that that idea is going to stay the same. But the little bit of areas that you see that's blocking the window, I will have full view of each of my 2 windows in my room. So whatever goes there, it will not block the window as it is currently. And I do have some other ideas, lifestyle lovers, that I want to incorporate, but I have to get some estimates and kind of see if it's going to work. So I won't share that until I find out if I'm going to actually be able to do it. But let me show you the wall art. I'm loving it. It went on sale. I had it in my car and it was 25% off, and I just happened to go back on Z Gallerie website and it was 40% off, and I bought that thing so fast. But I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'm gonna show you guys. Is it, lifestyle lovers? Isn't it gorgeous, honey? Gorgeous. So I'm just going to give you guys an idea of how I want it set up on the wall. So I plan to have it pretty much as high as it can go, probably this high, and then this area right here is where the new seating area will go. And it won't be the current ottoman that I have. I'm getting rid of that, so it'll be a new ottoman. But I love it. I love it, and I'm so excited about my bedroom transformation. So that's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. I am going to go tend to my cut because I don't have any band-aids. But let me know what you think of the new wall arts. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.